like to express my deepest gratitude for this incredible honor. Stand before you today not just an individual, but as someone who believes in the power of love, compassion, and justice. Oh, thank you so much. My faith has always taught me if you want to love your Creator, love His creation, and we must love His creation. And for me, this meant dedicating my life to advocating for the women's rights, because I believe the women's rights are human rights. At just 17-year-old, I made a commitment to fight for the rights of women because I firmly believe the women's rights are human rights. It has been over 30 years since I embarked on this journey, and I can tell you that every day I am inspired by the strength and resilience of the women in our communities. Through my organization, the American Council of Minority Women, we have worked tirelessly to empower women, provide resources, and advocate for change. Our organization is built on the foundation of community support, and every year we hold 8 signatures programs that directly impact the lives of countless women and families. Some of our most cherished initiatives include Chandrat Bazaar, Halal Meat Distribution, Food Pantry, Back to School, Health Symposium, Free Skill Learning Classes, Day of Dignity, Halal Turkey Distribution, Toys for Tot, and legal clinics. This award is not just for me, it belongs to every woman who has stood up for herself, for every community member who has supported our cause, and for every person who believes in the power of unity and equality. A very long time. He was my brother and my favorite council member when he served City Council District 45. He helped me and the American Council of Minority Women achieve amazing milestones and have been part of the journey through thick and thin. So I thank you, Joanne, and I want to say that this city of ours needs you know more than ever. You are a true public advocate for all. I also would like to thank my brother. Where is my brother? Deputy Public Advocate Kashif Hussain, who grew in front of me, and now he is pride of our community. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.